The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. 4 munition depots have been eliminated near Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Uspenovka in Zaporozhye region, Novaya Kamenka in Kherson region, and Nikolaev. A signal note of the Ukrainian group of troops has been destroyed near Vyshche Solonaya in Kharkov region. 1 Ukrainian MiG-29 aircraft has been shot down by the Russian Aerospace Forces fighter aircraft near Chapaevka in Zaporozhye region. Air defense means destroyed 12 unmanned aerial vehicles, including 1 Bayraktar TB2 near Novy Buk in Nikolaev region, Ruskinskoye, Vysokoye, Karlo-Marksovskoye, Charivnoye in Kherson region, Ivanovka, Yasnoye, Zeleny Gai, and Yevgenovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Berestovoye in Kharkov region, and Novoyegorovka in Lugansk People's Republic. 21 shells of the US HIMARS multiple launch rocket system were shot down near Ilovaisk in Donetsk People's Republic, Novaya Kakhovka, Nikolskoye, and Kakhovskaya hydroelectric power station, as well as a Tochka-U ballistic missile near Chervony Mayak in Kherson region. In total, 316 airplanes and 158 helicopters, 2,176 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,494 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 866 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,457 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,395 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. Despite the presence of the International Atomic Energy Agency representatives at Zaporozhye nuclear power plant, Kiev regime continues provocations aimed at posing a threat to create a technological disaster. Energodar and the area adjacent to the nuclear power plant were shelled twice by the Ukrainian armed forces using Grad multiple rocket launchers. A total of 15 rockets were fired by Ukrainian troops from Marganets in Dnepropetrovsk region. As a result of the Ukrainian rockets hitting near the industrial zone, a power line supplying the plant's own needs and power supply to Energodar was knocked out. Enemy firepower has been neutralized by Russian artillery's counterattack. Backup diesel generators are in place to ensure the operation of the nuclear power plant. Repair work to restore power supply to the nuclear power plant and the city of Energodar is currently being completed. The radiation environment at the Zaporozhye nuclear power plant remains normal.